Hi, I'm Buster with A&B Wood Products, and today I got this hunk of sycamore here. I've got the first few cuts made on it. We're going to go ahead and flip it, take a look at it, see how the coloring is on it, and then I'll get it up on the bunks and cut the other half.
Is that a pump end?
What, that?
Yeah.
Yes, that's pressure sprayer that no longer functions.
Oh.
So we used it as a bucket to pour water the other day.
Ah. It's going to be very unique. It's almost like a old shim. Interesting. Very interesting. So this is going to be your side that you just toss off?
Well, I'm going to pull all this up to load it.
Mm.
I was hoping to get it all in a pile and take it up as one piece with that other slab.
Oh. Sure funny how this changes once it gets wet. You know? How long has this been sitting out for?
Yeah, part of this got soaked from the snow earlier. If you look to the side.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, we're still getting snowed on here.
Yeah, we got snow.
So part of it got wet, soaked in there.
So, we got this beautiful machine. And he's still doing this. I thought you were going to stop trying to manhandle these.
I'm just trying to roll them over.
Mm-hmm. Wasn't the point of getting that
When I pull them forward and load
machine?
them on the truck, I'll use that.
Oh.
And I can't get over here and flip them over with it.
Hey. Just wondering. So will it all get that pink?
Yeah. Yeah, the further we get into the log, the more pink it's going to have.
Interesting.
You can see some of the imaginary rays there showing up.
What, right there?
Yeah, around that knot.
It's bubbling. Look, it's bubbling, the knot.
Oh, water running down through it.
Must be.
Woohoo! Getting wider and heavier.
So why do we pay $90 a week for you to go to a massage therapist?
To stop me from hurting so I can do this.
And they have to tear. Sorry guys if I lost you. Yeah, the guy that we're doing these ooh, that is a pretty piece. This wood for really can't afford right now to pay us to cut these, so we're just doing it for a couple logs off these couple pieces off the log. But that's a pretty piece, isn't it?
Yeah.
And what kind of wood is this?
Sycamore.
Oh yeah, this was the pretty sycamore. Wow.
That one looks to have most of the tip in it.
That bad or good?
It gets the crack up the middle because of the tip
Oh.
coming into it.
Oh. Huh. Should we take the next one then?
No, that's fine.
I think it's pretty.
I already got it over here.
Yeah, I think that's a pretty piece. I like that piece. Yeah. You want to spray that other one off?
Can. That'll just be the book match.
Yeah, but that looks pretty. Oh, it's got the pith in that one too.
Yeah, because they're book matched.
Oh.
They were together when it got cut.
Oh. What makes those like different rivet type things? Right there, like at that little ball thing. Why is that different colors?
What, the imaginary rays right there?
No, go do that again. Right. Yeah, right there.
Oh, this is the heartwood and that's the sapwood.
I know, but why does it? It's not coloring all the way through those. Is it just compression?
It has some rot stain.
Ooh, look at this.
That's why it's browner. It has some rot stain.
Look at how it kind of plays with your...
Yeah, that's the imaginary rays in it.
Ooh, that's pretty. I have not got it. Okay, guys. Well, he's going to flip this and then start cutting. So I guess we'll be back. Bye. Well, he's got done cutting.
Yeah, got done cutting the metal.
I'm sorry, guys, but it's so cold out here. I can't be out here. So we're going to show you this stuff.
Well, there's a nail, and there's a nail, and there's a big nail.
We're going to show you these slabs, and then I'm going to go to bed.
Yeah, so
Yep.
got through plenty of metal trying to go down through this thing.
Well, he did say it was a yard tree. Oh, I don't know if hitting those things are good. Till the saw go thunk.
Well, I would have rolled it over, but it was heavy.
It's gonna be pretty.
Yeah, another nail.
Mm-hmm. It'll be pretty though.
Yeah. Let's see what I ran through here on the next one. Ooh, yeah. That looks like it's bigger.
Well, look at the whoop-de-doo.
Yep. Because we ran through something to kill the blade.
Where'd it go?
I don't know what it was.
It was right there and then it went bye-bye.
Yeah. Oh, it's a rock.
It's a what?
There's rock.
Oh.
There was a rock for some reason stuck to the tree. And it obviously did no good to the blade. Oh boy, yeah. Good piece of metal there. Yeah. Yeah, I don't know what we got. Cut sideways through a nail, looks like.
Huh. All right, baby.
Well, there's one more piece.
You hurry, because I'm freezing.
Yes.
It snowed, you guys. It snowed. I'm cold. I'm a wussy. I'm cold.
People from Minnesota laugh at you.
People from Minnesota is probably not as cold as I am.
Yeah. Looks like we might have cut through it again there. That's some cool spalting.
Yeah. That's pretty wood.
Ooh, look at that. That's nice.
Yeah, that is pretty wood. All right, baby.
That breeze feels good, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, baby.
Nice, refreshing, cool breeze.
Okay, baby. Look at me. I gotta go in.
Yeah. If you're in southwest Idaho and have a big log, we can cut it up for you. Hopefully not with quite so many nails in it. 208-447-9691.
All right. Bye, guys. Thanks.